Gardening is a great outdoor activity that can provide a lot of enjoyment and other benefits, such as creating a beautiful landscape, growing your own delicious food, getting exercise and getting your hands dirty, and also just relaxing and enjoying the beauty of nature.
However, there's potential for accidents to occur, typically due to shortcuts, lack of skills or training, ignorance of risks, lack of planning, wrong place and wrong time, and sometimes just bad luck. To ensure your garden stays a place of enjoyment, keep these tips in mind.
Be safe in the garden!
Safety starts before you even walk outside. Make sure to wear safety goggles, long-sleeve shirts, long pants, sturdy shoes, and earplugs when working with power equipment or tools.
Make sure to wear appropriate gloves to reduce risk for skin irritants, contaminants, and cuts.
Mosquitoes and ticks can carry a lot of diseases. To protect yourself from this, make sure to apply insect repellent that contains D. Wear long-sleeve shirts and tuck your pants into your socks.
Whenever you are going outside to work in the garden, you need to make sure you take the right precautions to protect you from the sun. You need to make sure you're wearing sunscreen with SPF higher than 15 and long sleeve clothing such as a long sleeve shirt, a wide brimmed hat, and sunglasses.
The way you design your garden can influence the level of work and strain. For walkways, use materials that provide good traction. Avoid loose gravel and uneven pavers that may cause trips and falls.
That's going to leave a mark.
Avoid the garden if it is icy or slippery.
Be sure to use raised beds and containers to reduce the need to bend over while gardening. Keep your flower beds narrow so you don't have to stretch over your plants.
Never eat a plant you're unfamiliar with, especially if you do not know how it is cared for.
Choose a fruit tree grown onto our fruit stalks so you can harvest your fruit without the use of a ladder. Or train your plant as an espalier. To prevent weeding as often, you can use ground covers or mulch. Mulch will also help retain the moisture in the soil so you don't have to water as often.
Tools are often needed in the garden, but it's important to have the right tool for the right task. Make sure your tools are working properly and the blades stay sharp.
You should always use hoses on reels and keep them rolled up when they're not in use.
Remember to keep tools and chemicals properly stored and out of the reach of children, even if the label says biological, natural, or organic.
Keep water and electricity away from each other. This includes never using electrical equipment in the rain. Whenever using a ladder, make sure it is firmly placed to the ground and to never climb to the very top of it. Also, make sure you place the ladder to where you're working in front of you to where you are not working to the side of you. Avoid using watering cans as these can be heavy, but if you must use them, make sure they're only filled up halfway.
Always make sure to keep your tools turned over so that you don't step on them and hit them. It's even better if you can securely prop them up against something so that you don't have to bend over to retrieve them.
Place pruners in a belt holster to prevent misplacement and so you don't have to bend over to pick them up.
Didn't see you there.
We have back turns.
Speaking of backs, back problems can affect people of all ages and make gardening very difficult. To avoid injuring your back, try these simple steps. Avoid repetitive garden working.
Repetitive garden working?
Yes, repetitive garden working.
Take regular breaks in the shade and drink plenty of water.
Don't lift heavy objects. Instead, try using a dolly or a wagon.
Listen to your body and know your limits.
Use long-handled tools to prevent from overstretching.
And that is general back care!
Finally, because gardeners use sharp tools, dig in the soil, and handle spiny plants, they are prone to tetanus infections. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention suggests that all adults get a tetanus vaccination every 10 years. This, combined with other day-to-day safety tips, will help you reduce the risk in the garden so that hopefully you will only reap the rewards.
My name is Andrew Lopp.
Hi, I'm Ryan Sexton.
My name is Cameron Wallencheck.
I'm Caden Brown.
Hi, my name is Joshua Hall. My name is Corey Montgomery.
Ashland Kreitz.
My name's Caden Reynolds.
My name is Piper Goodson.
My name is Carmen Fitzgerald.
Alyssa West.
My name is Destiny Waters.
My name is Michaela Gillis.
My name is Kaylee Alford.
Hi, my name is Kyler Plum.
I am Ashley Stogso.
My name is Danny Gregg.
Hi, my name is Quincy Turner.
Hi, I'm Julia Baker.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.